Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. Today we will discuss what is medication error in pharmacovigilance. So let's start. First we will discuss what is medication error. Medication error is defined as any preventable error that may cause due to inappropriate medication use or patient harm while the medication is in control of healthcare professional or patient or consumer. Medication errors are always not intentional. In simple language, medication error in pharmacovigilance is any event experienced by any person due to unintentional drug administration error. Let's look at few examples of medication error. Unintentional underdose or overdose of drug. Unintentional drug prescribing error by doctor. Unintentional drug dose omission by patient or consumer or nurse, etc. Wrong time of drug administration which is unintentional. For example, drug supposed to take on empty stomach, however, patient took drug after breakfast. Accidental unauthorized drug administered to patient by nurse. For example, pediatric drug administered to elderly patient. Unintentional improper dosing of drug. So common take-home point from all these examples is medication error are always unintentional. Based on these examples, medication errors were broadly classified as drug maladministration, accidental exposure of drug, and occupational exposure of drug. First we will discuss what is drug maladministration. Drug maladministration is defined as any error in the administration of drug which is not intentional. Now let's discuss few scenario of medication error which will fall under drug maladministration. First scenario is incorrect route of drug administration. Next scenario is incorrect dosage form administered. Then, administration of less than dose recommended in authorized product information. Another scenario is incorrect drug administration rate. Next scenario is inappropriate frequency of drug administration. Then comes all deviations from prescribed drug scheduled. Another scenario is wrong technique in drug usage process. Next scenario is wrong dosage anatomical location. For example, vaccine administered in the thigh, however, intradeltoid administration is actually required. Next scenario is cut the tablet before use and cutting is not described in labeling document. This all scenarios fall under drug maladministration. Now let's discuss what is accidental exposure of drug. Accidental exposure is defined as unintentional exposure of person to drug. For example, accidental drug intake by child or family member other than patient. Now let's discuss few causes of accidental drug exposure. First is prescription error, which includes illegible or bad handwriting of prescribing doctor, which may lead to incorrect medication dispensed by pharmacist. Next cause is confusing details about drug strength and route of administration data of the drug. Next cause is drug look-alikes. Sometimes, two drugs are visually similar in physical appearance or packaging, due to which patient accidentally receive wrong drug. Next cause is drug sound alikes. Sometimes, two drugs are similar in pronunciation. For example, hydroxyzine and hydralazine, due to which patient accidentally received wrong drug. Next cause of accidental exposure is hurry in taking or prescribing or injecting the medication. And most common cause is negligence. So these are few causes of accidental exposure of drug. Now let's discuss what is occupational exposure of drug. Occupational exposure is defined as unintentional exposure to drug as a result of one's professional or non-professional occupation. For example, accidental exposure of drug to nurse while preparing drug for administration to patient. Another example of occupational exposure is nurse splashes injectable drug in eyes. I know you are confused, as there is very less difference between drug maladministration, accidental exposure of drug, and occupational exposure of drug. Please revisit the video to understand it completely, as this is most confusing topic in PV. To understand difference between drug maladministration, accidental exposure of drug, and occupational exposure of drug, let's take one example. Let's consider a scenario of accidental exposure of drug to nurse while administration of drug. If nurse unintentionally inject the drug to himself accidentally, this will fall under occupational drug exposure, as nurse exposed to drug as a part of occupation. If nurse inject the drug to correct patient. However, unintentionally incorrect strength or dose of drug was administered to patient. This will fall under drug maladministration, as there is error in administration of drug to patient. And if nurse inject one patient's drug to another patient by mistake, this will fall under accidental exposure of drug, as another patient not supposed to receive that drug. So here we saw same scenario fall under different types of medication error. I hope now it's clear to you what is medication error. I will recommend revisiting the video for better understanding. That's it for today. Please check description or I button for more related videos. If you found this information helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.